Okay, this is a plane, like a drone we got a few days ago. Fly okay. Okay, it's a bit hard to control. Get the camera. Yeah. Okay. And this is the massive drone we got today. Is it this one? Is it this one? We have two. One of them is not charged. I really can't tell. Okay. Yep. This one is mine. Okay. It should turn on. Just wait. You see? Now it's on. Let me take the remote. It actually has two modes. One is remote controlled. What the hell? Okay. Now just lift off. I don't think so it's working. Okay. But not only can it use a remote control, it can also use this watch I have on. Watch. I don't really know how to control it fully. There we go. Good. Okay, that's it for today.